Hey everyone, today, I've got something truly fascinating to share. Imagine bringing back a creature from the pages of prehistory. Well, that's exactly what scientists are doing with the dire wolf. So, what's the scoop on these ancient beasts? Colossal Biosciences has announced the birth of 3 dire wolf pups. But hold on, these aren't clones. They're hybrid species created through some pretty cool gene editing. Scientists took ancient DNA from dire wolf fossils and edited the genes of gray wolves, their closest living relatives. The result? Pups that look a lot like the legendary dire wolf. Let's break down the process. Researchers compared the genomes of dire wolves with those of modern wolves, jackals, and foxes. They pinpointed the specific genetic traits that made dire wolves unique. Using CRISPR technology, they made 20 edits across 14 genes in gray wolf cells. These modified cells were cloned and transferred into donor eggs, surrogate moms, large mixed-breed dogs, now the pups. 2 males were born on October 1st, 2024, and a female followed on January 30th, 2025. These little guys are housed in a secure, undisclosed facility that's 2,000 acres in size. It's equipped with 10-foot fences, security, drones, and live cameras. Talk about high security. However, it's important to note that these pups are not true dire wolves. Their genome is 99.9% gray wolf. The scientific community is debating whether this qualifies as bringing back the dire wolf. They've got the look, but genetically they're mostly gray wolf. Colossal isn't stopping here. They're working on resurrecting the mammoth, the dodo, and the Tasmanian tiger. They aim to introduce mammoth calves by 2028. Plus, they've successfully cloned red wolves, using technology developed during the Dire Wolf Project. Of course, there are ethical considerations. Critics argue that resources could be better used for conserving existing species. There are also concerns about the welfare of the surrogate animals. Colossal claims to prioritize animal welfare, as shown by their large facility and American Humane Society certification. In the end, the ecological role of these hybrid dire wolves is still uncertain. There are no plans to release them into the wild just yet. But this project is undoubtedly a scientific marvel. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing science updates. See you next time.